Good morning, my friends, and welcome back to the Grow You Girl channel. Today's video is going to be just a bit different. As you can see, I am not in my garden, but I am out on a walk. Little out of breath as I talk to you this morning. But I wanted to share something with you today that I think is pretty important about exercise and gardening. One of the saddest things I see as people get older, they run out of body strength to garden. And with that, a little part of them dies. I had a very dear friend of mine. Her mom was just the most amazing gardener. And she just gradually, as she moved away from her garden and went into assisted living, it just wasn't a part of her anymore. And that was the saddest thing to me anyway. And so it's important that we get our exercise, and I'm sure for her too. Let's be clear on that. So this is not only getting me exercise, it's getting my dogs, Luna. Hey, Loon, what are you seeing? Huh? Getting her some exercise too. And pick up a little dog bag here. So with gardening season ahead, I want to make sure I'm in the best physical shape. Now, I do strength training 3 days a week. I do it on Zoom with some buddies that I've been doing it with since the pandemic in 2020. And I love it because I'm not a gym person, you know. I can just hop on the Zoom, do my exercise, and get on with my day. Have some laughs, some gabbing with the girls, and away we go. But, you know, while gardening has plenty of squatting and things that you do, you got to get ready for it. Because I don't know about you, but at my time of life, my knees are starting to get a little wobbly. And so it's making sure that you are getting the proper exercise. Now, I just got one of these 10-pound vests, and the jury's out on it, because this is my first time wearing it. But I can already feel, I just did probably a half a mile walk with Luna, and I'm coming back to the house now to take Abby, because taking them both together is just a bit much, if you know what I'm saying. But I just want you to think about that. Like, how do you prepare physically for gardening season? Like, there's the mental part and there's the physical part, and then there's the gardening part. And I think they all work really close together. Right now I'm working on my book about the mental and more the mental, like how mentally we have to be prepared to garden and, you know, go with the ups and the downs and the ebbs and the flows. So many people say, I tried gardening once, it didn't work for me. Well, those of us who have gardened for a while know you got it more than once. You got to garden a lot. I mean, I've been gardening for 40 years, and if I could tell you all the failures I've had along the way, they've been a lot. But through it all, I am a stronger person, a happier person, a more joyful person. So as I go in to get Abby, I just wanted to bring this quick reminder to you today to remember that with gardening season, get in shape for it. Don't go out there and do a bunch of squats and go, oh, this is too much, I can't do it. Be ready for it. Like everything in life, we got to be ready for it. Hey, how do you like, I don't know if you can see the wind's blowing, my earth flag that we are hanging out right now. All right, I think that's it. That's all I had to say. Get out there, walk. I'll bring more walking things with you as thoughts come to mind. But yeah, it's these beautiful days of spring. We can't miss them either. The oxygen flow, all of it, so good for us. That's it. Subscribe. I'm trying to bring more short videos that pack a punch. I hope that this helped. Leave something in the comments. Let me know. How are you doing? How are you getting ready for gardening season? It's more than just getting the compost down. It's getting yourself ready for it physically. All right, my friends, have a great day.
Thanks for growing with us. And we will see you next time. And in the meantime, be sure to like, comment, let us know what really resonated for you in this video. And then, of course, be sure to subscribe at no cost to you and be updated when we have new videos up to play.